Hello everyone, this is Joanna, and today I'd like to share a mail haul with you. The very first thing that I have to show you is I placed an order for some stampers, as you can see here. These three stampers came together. I lost my stamper like this. I don't know when I lost it, but it was around the time that I decided to try the nail plate stamping, where you can shrink your image and make it bigger, which I learned from watching Nail Stamp for Fun. When I decided to try that, I couldn't find my stamper, so I got on eBay and I ordered another one. I didn't want to pay $8 or $9 for one, and then I found a set of three for $9.99, and it was from China, so I just typed in extra large nail stamper. Also from Moyou, London, with my order of plates, I got a new double-sided stamper here. This is going to go into my stamping giveaway package, so that's going to be going over here. Then, when I placed my order with Moyou, London, I was on Instagram and saw where they were coming out with sleeves for the fairy tale line. I have 10 fairy tale sleeves and 1 pro sleeve, and I need to order some more sleeves because my first sets of plates that I ordered didn't come with sleeves. And so now that I can get some, I got 10 for the 10 fairy tale plates that I have, and I got 1 pro. I think I need 1 for Suki, or a couple of Suki. I don't think you have to have proof, you know. I just typed in there that I had purchased my plates previously and that I needed sleeves for them, because at the time they did not have sleeves anyway for the fairy tale plates, and now they do. So if you place your order, get your order number and email them to what sleeves that you need if you have placed an order for plates previously. I know that now I have an account with them. I did not before. But I don't think you need that. I mean, they know you're not going to ask for sleeves unless you need them. But I do need a couple more of these, because if I can, I would like to provide sleeves for the stamping plates that I'm going to be giving away. Also, in case anyone wants to know, the polish that I am wearing today is Topless Beach from the Brazil collection. I like this. I just wanted to wear something kind of bland and plainish, but I really like this. And for those of you out there that are very skilled at being able to apply one coat, you might like this. It's kind of thick, and like I said, usually I don't notice that, but this is a nice thick polish. I might try to see if I can stamp with this. I don't know how it would hold up in a water marble, but it's not a thin polish at all. So those of you who are skilled in applying one coat, you may like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and get onto the plates. I think I have 10 plates here, and my total order was like $112. I need to ask them about a discount code, really. So the first plate that I'm going to show you, and I kind of got these out of order here, is this Sci-fi plate. And also they're starting to put numbers on their plates like this. So I noticed that on my Greek and the newest Sci-fi, because they only had 3. This is from the first set of Sci-fi. When I first found Sci-fi, they had 3 plates. I think now they have 7 or 8. I'm going to try to hold this hopefully so you can see. And this has a lot of cute images of the little alien and the little planets. I just really thought this was a cute plate. I did not like the first 2. Also, they have a new Easter plate, and it's really cute. It's like a bunny, but it's a scenic Easter plate. So I do want to get that one. But I'm going to try to hold this, so hopefully I can get some of that glare off of there and you can see this. So they have some really, really nice plates. Now, I also ordered, what did I order? The, I think Scholar Plate 2. It was 1, and now it's listed as 2. It's the one that has the quill and the typewriter and the writing. And I also want more Explorer. I think I discovered that I wanted more Sailor, more Pro. It was just after I placed this order. And I didn't order from my wish list. I just kind of went in there and discovered the Greek plates. So this one is Sailor 08. And I like this for the fish scene. It's got an octopus there. It's got the jellyfish, the coral. I just thought this was a nice plate. And also I was trying to order plates that I was worried about them being out of stock on, because that's usually the thing, certain plates. So that was why the primary bulk of my order were the newest Sci-fi and the Greek plates. I believe I may have gotten 4 of each. This one is Explore 11, and I got this for the tribal prints. And I have yet to do any of the tribal nails, but I do like these prints because you can just put on a few colors and stamp this, and then you got it. So this one has the Indian lady, which I like, especially to try that new shrinking, technique with. And then it's got like the bow and arrow, the eagle, the hat there. And hopefully you can see this, because my phone and these plates and then that light bouncing right up off of there. So now, like I was saying, they have the numbers here on the plate, and this is Sci-fi 4, but they're still putting the numbers right there. And these are like the newest plates, and I do want a couple more of these, and I'm going to try to hold this, hopefully. I had decided that I need to hurry up and get that SD card because I can only put so many videos in this phone and then it cuts off. And I don't want this to cut off. If it does, I'll just upload it and then pick up where we leave off. Now, let's see. This one is... I got this mainly for myself for what's over in this area here. But it's got some planets too. I just don't know how much detail you're going to be able to see with my glare, so I'm really trying to make sure I hold this so that you can see it. Okay, the next one that I'm going to show you will be Sci-fi 6. And I think I got I don't think I got one. This one right here, they do have an XL one. And I was looking at some of the images, mainly the ones that I knew that I wanted. So these are like nail size, but they do have one that has 12 images where some of these are bigger. But this one contained a few images that were not on the big plate, and that was why I got it. But these are not the big extra large ones, see? These right here will probably just fit on the nail. Okay, the next one, and I think the last Sci-fi plate that I have, is Sci-fi 7. And I like this one for certain areas here, so I'm going to try to hold that. And as you can see, there was an image like this on the plate that I just showed. I also like this area down here. Okay, now the last 4 that I have are Greek, and I have 1, 2, 4, and 7, so we're going to start with 1, and this one is Greek Mythology Collection 01. Like that up there. And there is one that's kind of like the mermaid. I think I got it. I just can't think of the name of it, so we'll see. Okay, this one is Greek Mythology 2. And I like certain sections of this one also. And I think you can see that face right there. Let me put it back there. You can see there's a face right there. The next one is Greek Mythology 4. And this one right here I think is a 1. Kind of reminded me of a deck of cards. It's got 2 faces here. I didn't see these right away when I was first looking at these to order them. The faces are like right in this area. But I did notice them after, because I was trying to decide what of the Greek plates I wanted first. And I love this area over here with this particular plate. I love this whole area right here. And the words, I think this says Orpheus, but this one is kind of like my Sleeping Beauty plate was. There's a face here and a face there. the swords. Okay, and then the last one that I have is Greek mythology 7. And this one is kind of like the mermaid one that I have. This says Poseidon. And it's the male. I don't know male what, but this is kind of like the mermaid one that I have. And this is the male. And you got the face right there and the fork. And then this right here was the word Poseidon. And they actually left these outside of my door. I feel very fortunate that when I got home, these were here. And this time it was DHL. I'm going to have to call them. I did not know they were coming because I was trying to keep up with that. According to the phone, my package was in Ohio. So I'll be giving them a call. But I do know, since I used to be off on Mondays, if I order on a Thursday, it comes on a Monday and I'm usually home. So I do know enough to know that when I place my order on a Wednesday or a Thursday, make sure I'm home Monday or Tuesday. But I am glad that nothing happened because this package could have been gone when I showed up. So I'm glad it was out there. But these places need to stop dropping things off in front of doors of apartments where people can walk through. Or this could have turned out way worse. But that was it. These are all of my new plates. And right now the Greek line is the newest line. And I think that they're... covers for these are very pretty. And these are the Greek covers. And that was it. So everyone, until the next time, everyone have a great evening.